everyone, welcome to my crochet nook, and today, as the title tells you, helping our Yarny Fibre brothers and sisters within the crochet fibre community. One of my goals this year is to help all of the smaller channels. By no means am I a big channel, but it's through all of you that I have got to I've reached my 4K last year, so thank you so very much. And in return, I want to help my help the community to get to, even if you're not a content creator and you have a YouTube channel and you want to get to your 500 subscribers, so that you can have a community tab and you can share all your work. Or if you're desperate to reach your 1,000 subscribers, and then once you reach your 1,000 subscribers, we need that 4,000 watch hours before our channels become monetized. We've all been there, no matter how big a channel we are. We've all been in your position, and I just want to help my fellow brothers and sisters to reach their goals. So what I'm asking is, if you are a small channel and you would like a shout out, what I plan to do on Saturdays and Sundays of 2022 is give shout outs to those smaller channels that need that extra push to get them to their 1,000, to get them to their 4,000 watch hours, or even to just want their community tab. And I'm just so really blessed, really, to have so many fabulous Yarny friends who have helped me, there's no way I'll ever get into the big leagues, but I'm happy with what I've got, with the subscribers I've got. I can keep in touch with everybody. I know them all. I know you all as much as I can know you. I've made some fabulous friends from all over the world. From my little crochet nook here in the UK, I've got friends in South Africa, Canada, America, Brazil, Europe, all over Europe, Australia, New Zealand. And the internet is an amazing thing, because let's face it, guys, it's got us through the past it's 2 years this year, isn't it, since COVID hit the world. And I just want to kind of repay all that you've done for me. I would like to repay the kindness that you have given me. So if you need help with your channel, whether it's to get you to 500, your 1,000, or your watch hours, just leave a comment, and or even in the description box, or even if you friends who are not subscribed to my channel but who need help, then get them to come and watch the video, get them to subscribe, and leave a comment themselves with a link to your channels, and I will get a list going and make a start on helping my my fellow YouTubers. So that's all I really wanted to say today. And people say, don't we already do this? Yes, we do, to a certain extent, but I think we all sometimes forget about you smaller guys, because without you we wouldn't be where we are today. So from the bottom of my heart, I thank each and every one of my subscribers. You do mean the world to me, and I thank you immensely for for watching my videos, for giving me the thumbs up, for watching my lives. Even if you're lurking and giving a thumbs up, that is brilliant. So take care, everybody. Stay safe. And more importantly, as I always say, guys, be kind to you. And I'll see you all again real soon. Bye for now.